The IKEGAI Corporation rs-112l014 is a rotary encoder used in a machine tool application. This particular encoder is not the usual binary, but follows gray code, which is very different than a standard encoder. Gray code is a form of binary where only one bit changes at any given time, and was used many years ago to eliminate errors from standard encoders. This encoder came to ERD filled with machine oil and with dead output drivers, which after replacing the drivers, the encoder worked as expected. ERD has worked on feedback devices for decades, and we have worked on all the main types of sensors used in industry, from this simple encoder to complex absolute encoders. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.